Aloha everyone. So today I'm back on Kaanapali Beach, and in this video we're going to be viewing one of the best beachfront condos, not only on this stretch of Kaanapali Beach, but it's really one of the best beachfront condos on all of Maui. We're going to be taking a look at my newest listing, Unit 3114 at the prestigious Kaanapali Alii. It is a top floor penthouse property with fantastic ocean, mountain, and golf course views. But before we get into the property tour, it is important that we discuss what the current situation is on the west side of Maui. So it's been over 3 months since the Lahaina Fire, and many of the residents that were displaced by the fire still want to stay close to Lahaina and on Maui's west side. But it's difficult to find enough homes that offer long-term rentals for everyone that wishes to stay. There are still a lot of Lahaina people that are staying in hotels, but bouncing from hotel to hotel is not an ideal lifestyle for people that desire a stable long-term solution. Needless to say, there is a high demand for long-term rentals on the west side, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. Now, the property we're going to be looking at in the Kaanapali Alii is a luxury condo in hotel resort zoning, so owners can use the property themselves or they can offer it as a rental. Now that rental can be either short-term or long-term thanks to the hotel resort zoning. I actually have several clients that are generously offering their vacation rental properties to Lahaina residents with the rent being paid through the Red Cross. It's actually not a bad scenario for property owners that want consistent rental income and that want to help those affected by the fire. Right now, the rent that is being paid by the Red Cross is very comparable to the amount of rent you could get from a vacation rental, so it's really a win-win. So the Kaanapali Alii is a community that consists of 264 total units spread through 4 buildings, which are all 11 stories tall. Amenities include a pool, spa, clubhouse, barbecue area, tennis courts, and an exercise room. Now, let's go take a tour of 3114, which just hit the market for $4.85 million. All right, so this is Kaanapali Alii Unit 3114. If you're not already familiar with Kaanapali Alii, it's one of the nicest and classiest beachfront resort properties on all of Maui, highly desirable. And this particular unit is very special. It is a top floor penthouse, so it's 11th floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a den. So it's considered one of the best floor plans, or the best floor plan in the community, because it essentially functions like a 3-bedroom. Give you a quick lay of the land in this particular unit. So on the left here, you're going to have this 2nd bedroom and the den area, as well as one of the bathrooms. Straight ahead is the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. And on the other side here is where you're going to have your primary bedroom and bathroom. All right, so let's take a look at the kitchen. You do have Sub-Zero refrigerator, all stainless steel appliances. That's a Bosch dishwasher, cooktop, and your oven and microwave on the side. Here's your formal dining room area. So another thing that makes this property really special is, you're going to see in a second here, it has both mountain and ocean views. So as we walk into the dining room, it does have mirrors on both sides, which help to capture that ocean view. Here we walk up to the window, and there you are. That's a beautiful Kaanapali Beach. And the property that we're looking at right now, that is the Marriott. So the Marriott is directly adjacent to Kaanapali Alii. You also see we have those mountain views overlooking the golf course, and we're pointed south here, so we're looking towards the Lahaina area. Okay, so here's the lanai. There's two entrances into, well, I should say three entrances into the lanai. There's one here on the side. There's a quick look at the living room. We'll come back to that. Let's go check out the lanai first. Beautiful mountain views. Not many properties here have both the mountain and the ocean views. That's what makes this one so special. Again, top floor. There are no units above you, so nobody above you. Doesn't get any better than this. This is the penthouse. Okay, let's head back in. To the living room area. Of course, the property comes fully furnished. Does have the nice beach decor. As you can see, it's central air conditioning. Okay, we're walking into the den area. It does have a sliding door to close this area off. I won't open it all the way, just to show you. And straight ahead here is the Murphy bed. So that pulls down for a nice sized bed, which makes this essentially function like a 3-bedroom if you're traveling in a big group. That is the bathroom ahead. One of the things that is really nice about the layout here is, you know, even from the den area, you have access directly to the bathroom, as well as access to the bathroom from the second bedroom. Let's take a look at the bedroom first. We got to walk up to the window in the lanai, take a look at the view. Yep, that ocean is still there. So that ocean view is essentially what you'll be seeing from bed in this room. It's always nice to have those nice blue ocean views right from bed as you're waking up. Nice bathroom. That sink, that shell-shaped sink is beautiful. And a separate shower and toilet room. And like I mentioned before, it does give access to the bathroom directly from the den as well, which is really unique. By the way, this is a lockable owner's closet we're looking at right now, so that's one of 2 lockable owner's closets. All right, let's head back over to the other side of the property, to the primary bedroom. And this is the front door. That's where we walked in. You do have your bathroom right here. We're going to start with the primary bedroom. Always have to go check out the view. So just like the second bedroom, you're gonna get that nice blue ocean view from bed. Condo's in great shape, very well maintained. Ready for a new owner. Just bring your suitcase, your toothbrush, and you're ready to go. You can see dual vanity, 2 sinks in this this bathroom, a separate room for the shower again. And of course, the toilet room. Just a couple more things to show you. So right here, I walked right by this closet. This is the second lockable owner's closet. And it does have a separate laundry room. You can see it has the washer and dryer stacked in here as well as the laundry sink. So I'm going to put more details about this property and the listing info in the description below. Don't forget, I'll be donating $2,500 to the Lahaina recovery efforts for every property I sell over the next year. So subscribe to follow along, and feel free to reach out if I can help you with anything real estate related. I do work with clients in all price ranges, anywhere in Hawaii, so don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Aloha.